Hello, everyone. My name is Bethany Eisenhart, and I work within Career Services. I work as the coordinator of internships and career services. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about what career services is, because that term is probably new for a lot of you. I know throughout this presentation you've probably heard that term, but I want to go through so that you understand what career services can do for you. So some of the services that we offer are individual career coaching. We do anything from having your own individual appointment. We have different workshops on campus. We have a lot of different professional development events. We're kind of the office of everything next steps. So if you're thinking after Monco, I'm going out into the workforce, and we can help you get ready for that. We can do resume writing, cover letter writing, mock interview skills, help you with your job search techniques so that you really stand out to those employers that you're applying to. And then if you're looking to transfer to a four-year school after Monco, then we can also help with that. So we host a lot of the transfer fairs on campus virtually at this point. So we can help connect you with the different schools that you're looking for, the different schools you're looking at, so that you can talk to someone at that school and figure out, okay, what are my next steps? So we can really help you through everything next steps up in college. So where are we located? When we're on campus, we're located at the Student Success Center. At the Bluebell campus, we're in College Hall. At the Pottstown campus, we're in South Hall. Right now, we are currently online, so all of our appointments can be done over phone or over Zoom. But when we get back onto campus, we do have locations at both spots. So My Career Plan will be your first touch point with career services. When you register for Monco, you'll be asked to complete the My Career Plan assessment. And what this is it's a four-part self-assessment tool. It takes about 30 minutes to complete, but from this assessment, you'll be able to learn a little bit more about yourself, because you'll be able to see, okay, based off of how I answered the questions, these are my values, these are my personality, my skill sets, my interests, my workplace preferences. The coolest thing about this tool is that you can explore career matches. So if you're coming into Monco and you're thinking, well, I know I want to get a degree, but I'm not sure exactly what path to go into, this test will look at all of the different skill sets you have, your interests that you have, and they'll be able to match you to different options and show you more information about each of those different career paths. So going off of that, that's one of the first appointments that you can make with career services. When you get to Monco, if you are undecided and you're unsure of which career path to go into, you can have a career counseling appointment where we can talk through how to make that career choice. So the first thing we'll do is we'll look at self-discovery. And we'll really take a deep dive into your My Career Plan assessment tool and look through all the different career paths that were matched to you, and talk about how you feel about them and the different opportunities that are out there for each of those career paths. From there, we'll start to do a little bit more research on your own. You'll be able to start to narrow down different career options. We'll have the opportunity to help you find different ways to do informational interviews or different ways to get some hands-on experience in an internship setting. And then you can reflect and decide on what best fit for you is for your future career. So that's one of the first appointments that a lot of students make with career services as they are coming into Monco. And so when should you engage with career services? Early and often. Career services is kind of a scary term. I know personally for me, when I entered college, I was career services. I'm just starting college. I want to focus on that first. But the best thing to do is to get in and talk to us as early as possible so that we can help you and we can say, okay, let's get the resume done so that you're not waiting till the very last moment to do your resume right before graduation. If you start it early, it's going to be a lot easier as you start to apply for jobs. And I'm sure everyone is doing part-time jobs right now, full-time jobs right now. So no matter what, you might need help with a resume or interview practice. We can even talk about salary negotiation. All of those different career development topics we can help with. So come to us and talk to us early and often so that we can help set you on that path for your future careers or future paths. So how do you contact us? Contact us at careerservices@mc3.edu. You can make an appointment with us the same way as you would make an appointment with your advisor. So that would be through Monco Connect. And again, just to reiterate, our appointments are virtual right now, so it can be over Zoom or over a phone appointment. But I'll ask everyone to get out their phone right now and to open up their Instagram and to start to follow us at Career Services at MC3, so that you can start to get all of that cool information about all fun like resume tips and different job openings in Montgomery County, so that you can stay up to date on all of that information. Thank you.